Unit 6 Study Guide, question number 26. Okay, we've started into a new section, markup and markdown. Guys, this is a percent change situation. The markup and markdown, the price is being changed up or the price is being changed to a lower price being marked down. So you're going to have the two options again. You can do these as change over original, or you can do these as the new amount over the original. I'm going to show it both ways. So I reprinted this with larger spacing so that I could do this both ways. Alright, camera normally costs $450. So that's the original amount. The store offers a 35% discount. That's my percent change. How much will the discounted camera cost? So I'm wanting the new cost. I'm going to do this as new over original. And so first we need to understand that a 35% discount, it's going to be 35 over 100. That is the amount, well, this is the original amount. Barely sneak it in there. This is the original amount. This is how much they're going to change it. And they are going to be taking off, since this is a discount, they are going to be taking this amount off. Well, if you wanted the new amount, if the original, and again, what this says is, if the original camera cost $100, they're going to take $35 off. You can figure out the new percent by taking 35 off of the 100. Because they're going to be taking away 35. 35 from 100, it's going to come out to be 65. That is my new percent. So now I can do this as new over original. So my new percent is going to be 65%. The original cost they gave us, $450. We're looking for the new cost. This will give us the new cost because it's going to be the same on both sides. So cross multiply. You get 100x equals 65 times 450. Calculator time. 29250. 29250. And again, this is our equation. So to solve our equation, divide both sides by 100. Get the x by itself. And when you divide by 100, that's going to move the decimal point 2 places, which is wonderful because this is the cost of a camera. That's moving the decimal point so that it looks like money. You normally write money with 2 decimal places, so that is going to be our new cost. So the sale price or the discounted price is $292.50. Now, doing this as change over original, you can go with this 35%. But understand, this is the original cost. This is how much they are going to change it. This is going to be the discount. And so now, if you put in the original cost of the camera, $450, this is going to be the discount amount. So now solving this, cross multiply, you get 100x equals, again, well no, different number, 35 times 450. I'm going to have to use the calculator. 35 times 450. and I get 15750. Again, to solve my equation, divide by 100, divide by 100, and you get x equals $157.50. But again, that is the amount of the discount. That's the amount they are taking away from the price. So we need to subtract that from the original cost. 450 minus $157.50. Okay, I'm going to go to the calculator again. 450 minus 157.50 comes out to be, same answer we just got, $292.50. So that is the discount price. Okay, that's it for now.